Fellas, if you're still depending on meat for all of your protein, this little package is what you've been waiting for, okay? This is hulled hemp seeds, hulled, no gluten, gluten-free. And they're one of the, underrated superfoods out there, especially important for men who are trying to reduce prostate inflammation and boost testosterone naturally, and trying to reclaim, the vitality without surgeries and drugs, because it can be done. Why are hemp seeds so powerful? Well, they are a complete protein. That means that they got all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. Just like meat, but without having to, without the inflammation, without the hormones, the antibiotics, and all the acidic buildup that can aggravate your prostate and lower your erectile function, okay? Because these are much easier to digest than a steak is. And it takes way less energy, right? I mean, digestion is it's an event that your body spends a lot of energy on doing. Plus, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3s, rich in zinc and magnesium. Those are the 3 things we talk about a lot on this page, right? Those are the 3 things to help you heal your prostate, calm your prostate, and support erectile function while balancing your testosterone levels along the way, the natural way. And here's the truth. Your body needs a break from animal meat, animal proteins. I talk about this a lot, at least 2 days a week, please. Why? Because animal protein is acid forming and acidic when it's being digested. And when it builds up in the system, the uric acid, it stresses your liver. It inflames your prostate. It just induces inflammation in the body over time. It clogs your lymphatic systems and your pathways of detox. And over time, this leads to BPH, low libido, and other prostate issues. You have to give your body a break from red meats and meats, even fish. Give your body a break. You have to do that. And, don't stop at just smoothies and salads. Of course, you add hemp seeds in your smoothies and salads, but try hemp seeds in your oatmeal or overnight oats. You can make homemade protein dips, like, avocado with some, little garlic and lemon juice. Sprinkle some hemp seeds on it, right? Quinoa. You can cook up your quinoa with some brown rice. Sprinkle some hemp seeds on it. Makes that more of a protein meal. Mix hemp seeds in your almond butter for a more protein-rich meal, okay? So on your meat days off, on your animal red meat days off, use hemp seeds, black beans with wild rice for protein, plant-based protein, walnuts and almonds for protein. Of course, you have my favorite, avocado, which is mostly amino acids, the 9 essentials that you need, which are the precursor to protein, okay? And when you eat red meat, animal meat, your body digests the protein down to the amino acids. Your body can only use the amino acids for rebuilding. That's biology. It has to digest and spend energy, way more energy, breaking down animal protein into amino acids. So this small seed right here will create massive shifts in your health. It allows you to maintain your protein intake while giving your body the amino acids it needs and giving your body a chance to heal your prostate. Let's get healthy. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let food be your medicine, brothers, so we're not so addicted to the taste of food, but we want the healing and the nurturing of food.